In this video, let's talk about how to fix YouTube cannot report comment. So if you come across a comment that you don't like and is inappropriate and you're trying to report it, and if you're having issues, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can do in this situation is try to clear out the app cache of YouTube. So simply tap and hold the app of YouTube, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, tap on storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache. Once you tap on clear cache, try to remove the YouTube app from the recent app list and try to see if you can now report the comment. If you're still having issues with it, then what you can try out is try switching to the desktop web browser. If you're currently using your mobile device, head over to your desktop or your laptop, head over to the same exact comment and try reporting from there. Now, even after trying all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. This is likely due to automated anti-spam block. If you have reported a lot of comments, in this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of minutes or sometimes even up to 24 hours before you can report another comment. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.